Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone charging auto disconnect problem after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, we are going to launch settings. Here we have to tap on battery and make sure that battery health is not showing service. If the battery health showing service is mean, you need to replace your battery. If the battery health not showing service, then do the following steps. Number 1, tap on journal and tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. After that, we have to force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap transfer reset iPhone and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we are going to check the hardware. In hardware main, the lightning cable and the lightning port. You have to make sure that you are using a original charger and the original lighting cable, and clean it properly with the thinner or petrol, and also clean the charging port of your iPhone with the soft cotton dip with the thinner or petrol. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.